when you were here before. Couldn't look you in the eyes. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. Gonna change a word here. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. So that's butchering another song, just to encourage people to stay home and find something creative to do, even if it means ruining a Radiohead song. I love Radiohead so much. And I love that song. And it's for all the people like me that weren't in the first 15, and we weren't in the cheerleader squad. We just wanted to be special. Look, I know so many of us are afraid and anxious at the moment, but don't be afraid. Don't be anxious. We'll get through this thing. We'll probably be a bit tattered and torn at the end of it, but we will get through. And I know it's easy to spiral down into, what's the worst thing can happen? But I'm encouraging you to just spiral up and think, what's the best thing that can happen? What's going to happen at the end of this? We'll come out and the sky will be blue and we'll love each other and things will be fine.